I think like beer makes like people like get together. Since I have not graduated, I wanted to like apply the knowledge that I have learned from the first year and in the like environment that I am used to, and most of all, like by working here during summer, I can do every process of the brewing. Like I can do brewing, packaging, cellaring, and even beer sales. So I think that would make me. I thought that would make me a like well-rounded brewer that I want to be.
The main reason is I just wanted more experience in kind of this brew house before I took a more industry job. So I feel more, so now after working this summer, I definitely feel more prepared for when I go work at a different brewery.